Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about retirement? A Roth IRA could be your best friend. It's a special account where your money grows totally tax-free, and when you're ready to retire, you won't pay a single penny in taxes on those withdrawals. You put in money you've already paid taxes on, meaning your future self gets to enjoy all the growth completely free and clear. It's a fantastic way to build a secure financial future. So, why consider Robinhood for your Roth IRA? Well, Robinhood is known for making investing simple and straightforward, even if you're just starting out. They also sometimes offer special bonuses when you open a new IRA account, which is a nice little extra. Their platform is designed to be very easy to use, helping you set up and manage your retirement savings without any fuss. Before you dive in, let's talk about eligibility. You'll need earned income to contribute to a Roth IRA, meaning money from a job or self-employment. Also, your income needs to be below specific thresholds set by the IRS, so it's good to check those yearly limits. And remember, there's a maximum amount you can contribute each year, so be sure to stay within those guidelines. Ready to open your account? First, ensure you have an active Robinhood brokerage account. Then, simply open the Robinhood app or visit their website and look for the dedicated retirement section. From there, it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the easy on-screen prompts. You'll need to input some details about your income and confirm your eligibility. It really walks you through each step. Congratulations, your Roth IRA is open. Now, the next step is funding it. You'll link your bank account within Robinhood to easily transfer money into your new retirement account. Once your funds are in, decide how you want to invest them, perhaps in stocks, ETF, or other options Robinhood offers. And remember, reviewing your investments regularly and contributing consistently are key steps to maximizing your long-term growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.